Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about building material. Bricks. Bricks is the man-made material which is used to make walls, pavements and other masonry work. It is a rectangular unit which laid in mortar. Bricks are manufactured by the following process as properties of clay, proportion of clay, molding, drying, burning. Molding by the hand molding and machine molding, and burning by clamp burning, clean burning. Generally, bricks are classified into four classes: first class brick, second class brick, third class brick, overburnt brick. Properties of good bricks: bricks should be in uniform shape and size of the 190 mm into 90 mm into 90 mm with shape of edges. Should be at least table molded, well burnt in cleans. Should give a clean metallic sound when struck to each other. It should not be destroyed into pieces when it fall from 1 meter height on hard floor. Compression stress of first class brick is less than 10 newton per not less than 10 newton per mm square. Water absorption is greater than 20% from first class to and 22% for second class brick. Hard brick should be sufficient hard that there should not be able to make any impression when it is scratched by nail. Uses of brick: used in generally all types of construction work as to take the loads as well as for portion of structure. Used in walls, foundation, flooring, pavement, etc. Also used as aggregate in concrete. Used for decorative or ornamental purpose as in arches and cornices. Next, concrete. Concrete is an important construction material which used mostly in present cases. Concrete in a mixture of cement, lime, sand, aggregate and water in suitable proportion. On the basis of the properties ingredients, concrete is identified by their grade as M20, M30, etc., where M is referred to the mixing and following number it shows the compression strength in Newton per mm square. Properties of the concrete: compressive strength denoted by grade as M20, M30, etc. Higher grade indicate the higher strength of the concrete. Consistency is the property by which concrete attain its strength within time. Consistency is represented by setting time as initial setting time. At this time concrete attain its given shape. For OPC it is 30 minutes. Final setting time: it is the time at which the concrete achieved its stiffness strength to bear the initial load by self weight. Final setting is 20 hours from 10 hours for OPC. Soundness: the property by which the fresh concrete volume is increased due to the presence of lime or magnesium in concrete, which is cause of cracking after drying or harden of concrete. So good concrete should be unsound and not greater than 8% by volume measured by Le Chatelier apparatus. Workability means easy to work. By this property concrete work may be constructed fastly, so should be workable. Measure by slump cone test. Resistance of fire and corrosion: concrete has the resistance against high temperature and also appropriable resistance against adverse environmental condition. Uses: used along with all type of RCC work, used for buildings, foundation, bridges, dams, roads. Also used in precast structure for fast work. Used in construction of canals, tunnels, civil lines. Nowadays used in medium as well as high rise structure. Steel: steel is an alloy of iron and carbon which contains the other component as sulfur, nickel, etc. based on carbon content Steel classified as wrought and pure iron, mild steel, medium carbon steel, high carbon steel, and cast iron. There are some detail about the steel. Stone. Stone are formed from rocks by quarrying. These are available in various forms, hence used for various purposes as per required. Stone is more load bearing strength material used in structure and generally in foundation of structure. Properties of good building stone. Crushing strength. A good building stone shall have more crushing strength as not less than 100 Newton per mm square, should be more durable and sufficient hard, should have also good fire resistance and weathering, should not absorb water more than 0.6% by weight, should be easily molded and dressed with uniform texture, it should be economical and specific gravity greater than 2.7. Uses. Stone are used in residential as well as public structure building as well as roads and railways. Due to high compressive and crushing strength is used in dams, weirs, foundation, etc. Stone used as aggregate in concrete. Stone used for flooring purpose as marble, etc. Mortar. Mortar is the mixture of cement, lime, water and sand used in masonry work as well as finishes plastering, painting, in the structure against adverse effect of environment. Thank you.